Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 25th September. Let's start. In the year of 1524 on this day, Vasco da Gama came to India for the last time as the Viceroy, Governor of India. In the year of 1639 on this day, the first printing press was started in America. In the year of 1654 on this day, England and Denmark signed a trade treaty. In the year of 1846 on this day, American forces occupied Monterrey, Mexico. In the year of 1897 on this day, the first bus service was started in Britain. In the year of 1914 on this day, Chaudhry Devi Lal, former Deputy Prime Minister of India, was born. In the year of 1916 on this day, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, the famous Indian thinker, philosopher and co-founder of the political party Bharatiya Jan Sangh, was born in Mathura. In the year of 1974 on this day, the fifth five-year plan was completed. In the year of 1992 on this day, the US Space Agency NASA sent a 1018 kilogram robotic Mars Observer spacecraft into space. In the year of 2006 on this day, for the first time in the 60-year history of Pakistan, a Hindu youth resident of Tharpakar district of Sindh, Danish, was inducted into the Pakistan Army. In the year of 2006 on this day, Yemen's President Ali Abdullah Saleh was once again declared elected president of the country. In the year of 2006 on this day, Anuseh Ansari, the first woman of Iran who went on a spacewalk, created a new chapter in the history of the country. In the year of 2006 on this day, demand was made to give Indian citizenship to the Dalai Lama. In the year of 2008 on this day, China launched the space shuttle Shenzhou 7. In the year of 2011 on this day, Kenyan environmentalist and Nobel laureate Wangari Maathai passed away. In the year of 2018 on this day, Mahendra Singh Dhoni became the first Indian to captain the Indian cricket team against Afghanistan in the Asia Cup in Dubai in 200 one-day internationals. In the year of 2019 on this day, Haja al-Mansouri became the first Emirati to go to space and first Arab astronaut to visit the International Space Station. In the year of 2020 on this day, the National Medical Commission came into existence as the country's apex regulator of medical education and profession, replacing the Medical Council of India. In the year of 2020 on this day, Kerala won the Non-Communicable Diseases Prevention and Control Award 2020 for its outstanding contribution towards the Sustainable Development Goals related to non-communicable disease. In the year of 2020 on this day, a national webinar on curriculum reform and national curriculum framework NCF and pedagogy was organized under the Shikshak Parv initiative. The webinar was organized to highlight the salient features of the new education policy NEP 2020. In the year of 2020 on this day, Mukhyamantri Gram Parivahan Achhoni Yojana was launched by the Chief Minister of Assam, Sarvanand Sonowal, in the State Transport Department. Under this scheme, light motor vehicle service will be started in all the villages of the state to improve rural connectivity and generate employment in the villages. In the year of 2020 on this day, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India had identified Life Insurance Corporation of India, General Insurance Corporation of India and New India Insurance as domestic systemically important insurance. In the year of 2020 on this day, the National Medicinal Plants Board of the Ministry of Ayush had signed a memorandum of understanding with major Ayush and herbal industry bodies to promote cultivation of medicinal plants. Through this, the Ministry of Ayush will provide a sustainable supply of quality raw materials to the Ayush, nutraceutical and herbal industry. In the year of 2021, on this day, today, Pradhan Mantri Sehaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana Saubhagya has completed 4 years of its inception. The scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 25, 2017 to achieve universal household electrification by providing last mile connectivity and electricity connections to all households in rural and urban areas. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.